Starting a homeschool will involve a lot of research, investigation, studying, and making inquiries before beginning. Parents who are looking into homeschooling as a way to educate their children should find state and local homeschooling groups. These will provide the best kind of information on homeschooling in your area. On the internet, parents can also find homeschool websites that allow you to ask and discuss your options about homeschooling. They will provide you with a variety of information to help you get started. The more that you communicate with others regarding your plan to homeschool, the more that you will learn about what you want in your curriculum, as well as how to avoid common problems. Homeschooling is a term that is very extensive. There are several methods that can fit and be measured under it. There are numerous different techniques that can be used. Parents can opt to buy packaged curriculums that exactly focus on homeschoolers. Some decide to register their kids in correspondence programs. Others acquire and make use of software, while others combine everything. As parents obtain more confidence in their homeschooling capacities, they can decide on a less systematized approach. When new or inexperienced to homeschooling, discovering the ideal and exact learning method for your kid will be a real challenge. Generally, the majority of private, as well as public schools, make use of a formal and conventional curriculum for each student. As a parent, you might misguidedly be certain that you have to follow and keep on with that same course in your home. Usually, parents start with homeschooling, utilizing a complete set of a curriculum package. However, several find the workload or structure too overwhelming, so they start to experiment and try out different methods of teaching. The technique here is to determine a certain method that can accommodate the learning style of your child. As you come to be more proficient and knowledgeable, you'll find useful, efficient, and effective teaching and learning tools that will help your family reach educational independence and freedom. Traditional and conventional methods of teaching are also explored, along with some non-traditional styles. As a parent and a homeschooling teacher, you have several different curriculum options. Your child will benefit once you are well acquainted with all of them. You know your child, so choose the best curriculum that will meet all his or her needs. Along with understanding and support, homeschooling will surely be a success. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.